Sawadika! Kumusta po kayo? Nag-live lang ako ng mabilisan para makipag-chikahan. Mawi-wawi. I miss you. I miss you guys. How are you today? I'm good. Super good. Oh, wait. Ooh! Baby hippo. Wow. The Maui-wawi. The Maui-wawi. Parang gusto ko... Nasaan ka? I am in Thailand. Wait, you know what? Wait, I'll be right back, guys. Nasaan ka? I am in Thailand. Wait, you know what? Wait, I'll be right back, guys. Back, guys. Work si Will. Gusto ko maka-work. Sino ba? Charlie, I'm working with na. Josh, I'm working with. Yeah, siguro sila, mga housemates. Well, I've worked with Shuvi in terms of hosting, siguro. But, ayun. Isang hi, John. Hi, John. Is River here? Yes, nandito si River. Rivs, akit ka, Rivs. If you are here. Oh, he is! Oh. Ay, he left. Ay. Don't leave. Yan. Invitation sent. Okay, so, look at the view. I love you. Walang view kasi medyo madilim na. I love you. Joe, come here. Say hi. Guys, I want you to meet my best friend since grade 3. Andito kami nag-week. Andito kami nag-meet sa Thailand. Baby, it's alright. We were... Oh, River... Andito kami nag-meet sa Thailand. Baby, it's alright. We were... Oh, River can't... We were... Oh, River can't join daw. Ayaw niya. Joke lang. He's busy raw. Next time, bro. 3 tips. Oh, napanood nyo na ba yun? Punta ka sa concert ni Will. Sayang nga, I want to eh. I was supposed to talaga, but I have work. Okay, guys. Here's my friend. Let's ask questions. Magtanong kayo in Tagalog, tapos sasagot siya in Tagalog. Okay. Oh! What's that? Thank you, Bambi. Guys, ask Jerome questions. Jerome, introduce yourself.
I'm Korean. I don't know. What do you want me to say?
Guys, ask him questions para he doesn't, he's not
gosh.
awkward. Namiss ko ng bahay ni Kuya. Yes. Happy birthday. Jerome, say happy birthday, Stephanie. Wait, let's get people to go up. Okay, I'll make paakyat, ha? Paakyat kayo, ha? Oh, game. It's alright. We were dancing to the light. Oh. Hello.
Hi.
Are you Filipino?
Mabuhay, Philippines.
Mabuhay. My name is Michael.
Michael and
Jerome.
Jerome.
all you are PK ones.
Huh?
PK once more.
Oh, Michael and Jerome.
You are PK Friday. Once more. Once PK.
PK?
Yes, game.
Okay.
Oh. What's that?
Huh?
What's PK?
Yes.
Ay! Hala! Mali yung na-press namin. PK, ano yung PK? What's PK?
Huh?
Jerome, what do you do for a living? Good question.
What do I do? I bother Michael.
You fight for a gift. Sino masaya i-PK? Tak, ganon. Ganon. Paramihan ng ma-receive na gifts. Oh, gusto ko yan! Wow. Okay, magpakit tayo. Baka umakit ulit siya.
Oh, my eyes hurt.
Pero,
What is it quiere? Hello. Hello.
oh! Do you know what PK is?
Y Spanish.
Hola, me llamo Michael. Dude, that's...
Yo me llamo. Basta. Si sabes
Me llamo
Spanish.
Michael.
Basta, Michael.
Jerome.
Spanish.
¿Cómo
Spanish.
está?
Spanish.
¿Cómo
Yo
está?
estoy muy bien. Dice Teresa,
Estoy
ahora,
bien.
Estoy muy bien. Sí,
Estoy
yo también estoy
muy
bien.
bien.
Yo también estoy muy bien.
Hey, ¿cómo te llama?
Yo me llamo Elías.
Me llamo Elias. ¿Puedo ir al baño? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Guys, paano magpi-PK? Okay, more.
Do you not do battles?
You have to get them to accept, I think.
Oh.
Hello.
What to eat?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, where are you from?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. What are you eating?
Huh?
What are you eating?
Stew pork.
Okay. Okay, man. Have a good day. Iti kuya, kumakain siya. Eat well, kuys. Bakit ang layo ng narating? Oo nga eh. Dati Pilipinas lang, ngayon. Iba. Paano ba Paano mag-PK?
I haven't with that. My eyes are hurting.
Paano mag-PK, guys? International ka talaga. Kaya nga, puro ibang bansa. Baby, it's alright. We were dancing in the lightning strike. Happy Thanksgiving in Canada. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
That was on Monday.
It was. Ginagawang umigal. Hindi ba yun yung point? Mag-PK nga tayo. Okay. Shake head. Wow! Bambi! Thank you naman, Bambi. Thanks, Bambi. You're so sweet. Hello. Hello. Hola. Me llamo Michael. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está?
Ay, bien.
¿Ha?
Ay, todo
Okay.
bien, gracias.
Adios! Medyo lag siya, guys. Hanap pa tayo. Pwede ba kayo? Like, kayong umakyat? Michael, saan ka sa Thailand? I'm in Bangkok.
Why do you say it like that?
In Bangkok.
Oh,
Hello!
hello.
What's your name?
My name's Suma.
Suma. Where are you from, Suma?
Is Radhika.
Where are you from?
Myanmar.
Myanmar!
Now in Thailand.
Wow! I'm in Thailand.
Now in
In
Thailand.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, Suma. Enjoy. Good night.
Good
Bye-bye.
night. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Guys, bakit walang Pilipinas? Paano ba to? Nasa ibang bansa kasi. Guys, mag-audition ako dito sa Thailand. Pwede naman, pasado. So, Sawadika, Kevin Crab. Oh my God, guys. So, okay. If you guys know Thai, comment kayo. Mag-comment kayo. Tapos, nako, kayang-kaya yan. Si Win Meta Win. Tara na.
I'm blessed.
Isang hi, Jonah lang. Jonah! Hi, Jonah.
I'm blessed.
Okay. Nasa Thailand kayo nagwo-work ngayon. Wala kanina eh. Or may na-meet ako kanina. Dalawang teachers dito. Na Pinay. Dalawang Pinay. Ang cute nyo. Parang Vietnam yan. Ha? Anong Vietnam? Next na. Okay, sorry. Next na. It's alright. We were dancing in the lightning strike. May nakalive. Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Hola. Me llamo Michael. ¿Cómo te llama?
Dude, stop saying
Elizabeth.
Isabel?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Beautiful name. Estoy muy bien. Oh. I'm from the Philippines.
¿Qué?
Can you say kamusta?
Yo, bien.
Bien. Yeah, ¿cómo Bien. Oh.
Bien. ¿De dónde eres?
Sound like the guy version
Uh,
of the Explorer right now.
Joe, help me. What else did we learn? ¿Puedo ir al baño?
I learned French. I didn't learn Spanish.
Okay. Elizabeth, enjoy. Good night. Hasta luego. Adios.
Bro, that's like, very difficult.
Say, hasta luego. Okay. Pwede namang Pinoy. Kaya natin to. Ito, Pinoy to. Pinay or Pinoy? Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from? Thailand? Here? I'm in Thailand. Where are you?
อาม่าคนไทยไม่ใช่อาม่าก็นี่คนไทยใช่ไหม
Beside.
Vietnam?
Vietnam?
Cambodia?
Oh, Myanmar. Oh, how do you say hi?
ใช่ใช่อาม่าใช่
Chai.
Thank you so much
苏雨班呢排咪俾條嘛，蘇
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Guys, si Tommy Tiangco naka-live. pwede kami mag-PK. Masaya yun. Magandang laban yun. Solo ka lang. I'm with my friend. With my best friend.
You're leaving me.
But yes, I am leaving, guys. Okay. It's alright. Next. Sino next? Pinoy na to. Pinoy. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Ambika.
Amika. My name is Michael. Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Myanmar. Wow. Wow, the other people also from Myanmar. That's so cool. Is it hot there? Raining? No?
Yeah.
Raining. Yeah. I'm in Thailand.
You too. I'm in Thailand.
You are in Thailand,
Yeah.
but you're from Myanmar. Oh. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, it's nice meeting you. You take care. Have a good night.
Yeah, have a good
Okay,
night.
bye-bye. Hala, umalis siya. Baby, it's alright. We were dancing in the lightning strike. Okay. Grabe, no? Myanmar. Punta ka sa cafe ni Joanna. Guys, supportahan yung coffee shop ni Joanna. Grabe, ang galing niya. May coffee shop na siya. So proud of her. Palakpakan natin si Joanna, guys.
Ya he vuelto de 3 veces. ¿Qué lo que, brother?
Hello, where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Dale, brother, vamos a darle con un brothercito. Vamos a darle una batallita, por favor.
Pwede ba baka ano tayo? Baka ma-report. Naka-off invites? Paano mag-on invites? Paano mag-on invite? We were dancing in the lightning strike. Ay, naka-allow. Naka-off akin eh. Paano ba? Pakiulit yung video greet. Stephanie, hi Stephanie, happy birthday. Again.
Okay. What's up, my guy?
What's up, bro? Where are you from?
You are calling from which country?
Where?
You are calling from where?
I am from Philippines.
From where?
Philippines.
From which country?
Philippines.
Which country is that one? Is it Jamaica or China or Niger or where?
But Jamaica, Myanmar, but Pilipinas wala. Guys, paano ba yung may region ba to? It's alright. We were dancing in the lightning strike. Okay. Ito na. I-accept ko ang mga nagre-request. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, random. Accepting. Oh. Hello?
Hi, Kois.
Hi, Kois. Ang chill ni ate. Ano pangalan mo?
Charis po.
Charis! Charis, kamusta ka na?
Okay lang po.
Oh. Camera.
Pupunta ka po sa sa cafe ni Joanna.
Pwede. Pupunta ka ba? Samahan kita.
Malayo po ako. Nakauwi na ako sa Davao.
Ay, nasa Davao ka. Hala, ingat ka. Okay ka naman dyan?
Okay naman po.
Ayun, mabuti naman. O sige, pag nagbukas sa yung coffee shop ni Joanna, tatawagan kita. Tapos sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Pogi mo po?
Ay, nako, thank you. Binola mo pa ako. Dapat naka-on cam ka.
Andito pa yung parents ko. Hello po.
Ayun, hello. Hello po. Magandang gabi. Maayong gabi.
Maayong gabi po.
Oh. Picture tayo, selfie tayo.
Okay po. Wait lang po. Tag kita sa IG, kuya.
Sige. Salamat Thank you
kuya.
Ingat ka.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.
God bless you.
God bless po. Ang cute naman. Tita. Oh, sino next? Lightning strike. We were dancing in the lightning strike. Okay, random. Go. Sino to?
Hello. Oh my God.
Hello?
Hello po.
Hello, ano pangalan mo?
Good evening po.
Good evening.
Po.
Ano?
Janeline.
Janeline, kamusta ka na?
Kaya naman po.
Taga saan ka?
Negros po.
Negros! Kamusta dyan sa Negros?
Po?
Masaya dyan sa Negros?
Okay naman po. Dito po ako sa ngayon. Sa Manila po.
Nasa Maynila ka, pero taga Negros ka?
Opo.
Wow! Kamusta ka? Okay ka naman? Masaya ka naman?
Yes po. Okay naman
Yay!
po.
Knock, knock!
Who's there?
Tank!
Thank who?
You're welcome.
Hindi ko makapaniwala. Oh my God.
Uy, mag-on cam ka naman. Picture tayo.
Sige po, wait.
Thank you.
Hello po.
Hello. Uy, matutulog ka na pala. Sorry. Inabala pa kita. Selfie. Yay.
Thank you po.
Ingat ka. Good night. God bless. Bye-bye.
Maganda ka.
Corny de Bali po. Feliz, grabe ka naman sa corny. Pinag-isipan ko yun. Wow. Sana ma-choose. Linens check. We were dancing in the linens. Papalit, lipat-lipat siya, no?
Can you stop butchering every lyric and every song?
Up mo ko, kuya. Okay. Game. Punta ka ng Bacolod. This year, no. Oh, so...
Michelle.
Hello.
Mukay pizzaru prietana na.
Sir, where are you from?
Where are you from? Romania.
Romania. Wow. I am from the Philippines.
Mukay pizza că ce fac azi și o dată să mănânce un pizza.
Yes. Okay, sir. You have a good day. Good night.
You are from? You are from?
Ay.
Sri Lanka.
Ay! Hala, tinatanong pa niya ako. Sorry po. Please mag-next up sa live. Okay naman. Ito na. Kung sinong nasa pinaka... ayun. Ay, 10 lang yung request eh. 11. Okay. Ito. Sino to?
OMG, hi, kuya.
Hello! Ano name mo?
Tin po.
Hi, Tin. Tin, kamusta ka na? Nasa si Tin.
Hello.
Tin, welcome ka naman, Tin.
Sure po. Hala. Nakakaya. Hello.
Grabe, ang ganda naman ni Tin. Tin, may pakilala ako sa'yo. Jerome, come here. I want you to meet Tin. Tin, mahilig ka sa Koreano? Kasi sabi mo, best friend ko to, ang pangalan niya ay si Jerome.
I'm so...
Oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Saan
Hi,
po kayo,
Tin.
Kuya Michael?
Nasa Thailand ako
Hello.
ngayon.
Oh, hello.
Tin, pasado ba sa'yo, Tin? Joke lang, Tin. Tin, kamusta ka na? Anong ginawa mo today?
Wala po. Dito lang, nakahiga.
Sabi ba naman si Jerome? Tanungin mo.
Hello, Kuya Jerome. Ilan taon na po kayo?
How old are you?
I'm 22.
Oh, ask her a question.
22. Ah.
What do I ask?
Any question, Jerome?
Hello.
Tired.
Okay, Tin, picture tayo. Tayong tatlo.
Tomorrow's my birthday, Kuya.
Tomorrow's your birthday? Oh my God. Happy birthday to you. Birthday din ni Jerome. Parehas kayo may birthday.
Thank you.
Happy
Yay!
birthday.
Oh! Really?
Sige, Tin. Salamat sa pag-akyat. Ingat ka.
Picture tayo, Kuya. Picture tayo, Kuya.
Picture.
Picture.
Come here. Join us. Okay na?
Thank you.
You know. Tin,
Thank you,
ingat
Kuya.
ka. Tin, knock, knock.
Ingat.
Knock, knock.
You're
Who's
so
there?
funny.
Who's there?
Tin. Tin.
Tin who?
Tin, 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 tin. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Tin. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Gusto nyo pa? One more. You want one last? Oh, invite natin si Cheska. Mag-promo siya. Tin, 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 tin. Happy birthday to you. Tito Ron. Sir Ron, how are you po? Thanks for the gifts. Di makaakyat. What's di makaakyat? Okay, Jerome, you pick. Jerome's gonna pick. Siya ang pipili.
I'm just picking random. Do you want me to be strategic or just
Any. It changes really fast.
Oh, okay. Let's do this person.
Press accept.
Who? Her?
Any, bro. It's up to you. Ayan. Ang nanalo si Ba't ayaw? Okay, she don't want. Okay, next. Which one you want? This one?
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Ayan na. Hello? Hello po.
Hello po.
Hello po. Hala. Hello? Ate?
Hello po.
Hello?
Camera. Ay, sorry.
Ate, anong pangalan nyo?
Princess po.
Hi, Princess! Ang ganda naman yung name. Princess,
Hello po.
kumusta ka na?
Okay lang po. Galing duty.
Talaga? Saan ka nagtatrabaho?
Government hospital po.
Wow, grabe naman. Princess, ito, best friend ko. Si Prince.
Okay, let's relax. Let's relax.
Princess, ba't nagatago ka? Di ka namin kita.
Nakakahiya, wait lang.
Wag, di ka dapat mahiya. Maganda ka. Princess.
Nang bola ka pa?
Wow!
Bolero ka rin.
Asa na? Oh! Guys, ayan na. Ayan na, face reveal ni Princess.
Nakakahiya.
Dali na, Princess. Nag-aabang. Guys, press 1 kung gusto niyo makita si Princess. Hala, Princess, ang dami nagwa-1. Tita Teresa, how are you? Miss you po. Oh, hala, Princess, ang dami nagwa-1. Lagot ka.
Shout out mo mga medical technologies.
Medical Technologies. Shout out sa iyo.
Isabela Medical Center.
Sa Isabela Medical Center. Maraming salamat po sa serbisyo ninyo. Ingat po kayo palagi. Nasaan na? Hala, Princess. 5,
Wait lang.
4, 3, 2, hala ka. Ayun! Ang ganda ni Princess! Jerome, isn't she so pretty? Ay, nagtatago ka. Natutuwa si Jerome, oh.
I don't understand anything else.
Okay, Princess. Picture tayo. Smile. Yun, no? Princess, camera ka ba? Camera ka ba, Princess?
Bakit?
Kasi tuwing tumitingin ako sa'yo, napapangiti ako eh.
Hotdog. Ito talaga.
Okay, Princess, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi. Ingat ka palagi and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's alright. Okay, guys. Last 2. Kasi kailangan ko na mag-empake. Papa ko, kuya. Alam mo, kanina ka pa nagre-request. Kaso, nag-change kasi siya eh. Nahanap ko yan mo.
Michael is my anak.
Yes. Jerome is Opa. Jerome, how do we say stuff in Korean? So what's I love you in Korean?
마이클은 머리가 없어서.
You're not saying I love you in Korean. Mag-cry na ako. Anika. Oh my God, Anika. Nasaan si Anika? Nag-change kasi siya. Okay. Sino na? By default. By default. Asa na si... Ayun. Okay, sino to? Stephanie? We call Stephanie! Hello?
Hi, Kuya Michael.
Hi, Stephanie! Nasaan ka? Dapat...
Oh my God!
Hindi ko makita.
Wait lang. Hi!
Wow! Ang ganda naman ni Stephanie. Stephanie, ilang taon ka na?
Ano po, 20 years old.
Wow, 20 ka na pala. Kamusta ka? Taga saan ka?
Tagig. Na-meet na kita eh.
Saan?
Nakalaro kita sa
Saan?
market. Sa Coke.
Talaga? Naglaro ka?
Oh. Tingnan mo, wait lang. Papakita ko sa'yo.
Very good ka talaga.
Papakita ko sa'yo eh.
O, sige.
Wait. Hanapin ko lang. Kasama,
5 seconds lang yan, ha?
kasama mo na si, ano,
5,
kasama mo na si
4,
Shubi.
3,
Wait lang.
2.
Hinahanap ko pa kasi.
Hala ka, Stephanie.
Hala, ayaw. Hindi ko makita. Ay, ito na, to na. Ay, ayaw. Ayaw.
Stephanie, last chance mo na.
Sige, sige.
Ayan. 5, 4. Stephanie ba o Zephanie? Ano? Stephanie, di ba?
Stephanie.
Ha?
Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Ayan o.
Wow!
Ayan o.
Ang galing mo dyan. At dahil dyan, bababa ka na. Joke lang. Ang cute naman. Hanggang dito
Diba?
nakakit ka. Iba ka
Kaso
talaga.
kalaban kita nun.
Oo. Pagkalaban, naku, competitive ka naman ako.
Competitive din yung ano, yung
Si Shuvi.
leader namin.
Oo. Sige, Stephanie, picture ulit tayo. Gayahin natin. Ano ginawa ko dyan?
Sige.
Wala.
Ay, paano ba ginawa ko dyan? Game. Isa pa. Yan, okay na.
Yan. Stephanie, thank you sa pag-akyat.
Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Mike. Ay, shout out mo yung mga bitoys mo daw.
Mga Bitoys! Mga Michael V! Shout out, guys.
Thank
Ingat
you.
ka, ha, Stephanie. Salamat ulit.
Thank you
God
po.
bless. Thank you. Bye-bye. It's alright. We were dancing in the lightning. Okay.
Everywhere.
Thank you guys sa lahat ng umakyat. Kailangan ko na po mag-empake. Next time, promise, mag-pop up ako. I love talking to you guys and I love getting to know you more. So, I will do this again next time. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless and see you sa Bicol on the 18th if nandun kayo. Okay, guys? You guys are the best. God bless. Ingat. Good night. Sleep well. You guys are the best. God bless. You guys are the best. God bless.